Zydus gets US FDA final approval for Eltrombopag tablets, major US market entry. Zydus Life Sciences has secured final approval from the United States Food and Drug Administration, US FDA, for its generic versions of Eltrombopag tablets in 12.5 mg, 25 mg, 50 mg, and 75 mg strengths. This is a major regulatory milestone for the company, giving it access to a high revenue segment in the US market, one of the most competitive and lucrative pharmaceutical markets globally. Eltrombopag is prescribed for thrombocytopenia, a condition characterized by abnormally low platelet counts that increases bleeding risk. By stimulating the bone marrow to produce more platelets, this medication plays a critical role in managing specific hematological conditions. The original branded version has strong historical sales, making the generic equivalent a significant commercial opportunity. According to market intelligence data, Eltrombopag tablets had annual US sales of about $1,262.5 million United States dollars in the 12 months through November 2025. This underscores the commercial attractiveness of the US FDA approval, as Zydus can now compete in a billion-dollar product segment, subject to market share dynamics once it begins distribution. The product will be manufactured at Zydus's formulation facility in the SEZ, Ahmedabad, which reflects the company's continued emphasis on building capable, high-quality production sites for regulated markets. Manufacturing approvals and compliance with US FDA standards are often challenging for Indian pharma companies, and securing them reinforces operational credibility. This approval adds to an already substantial portfolio of US FDA-approved products for Zydus. With this latest sanction, the group has achieved 429 approvals in the US and has filed 505 NDAs, abbreviated New Drug Applications, since it began filings in 2003, 04. The scale of this portfolio indicates Zydus's long-term commitment to the generic market in the United States. For investors and market participants, a US FDA final approval typically signals near-term revenue opportunities once launch and market penetration occur. Given the annual sales scale of the drug being approved, even a modest market share for Zydus could translate into meaningful incremental revenues relative to its existing US generics portfolio. From a competitive standpoint, Eltrombopag generics may face multiple players once launched, and market share will depend on pricing strategy, supply reliability, and payer acceptance. Zydus's manufacturing readiness and US regulatory experience are advantages that could help it secure early traction. This regulatory win also aligns with broader industry dynamics where Indian pharmaceutical companies continue to expand their footprints in regulated markets like the US and Europe. Securing approvals in high-value therapeutic segments supports diversification away from traditional low-margin products toward those with better pricing power and strategic relevance. Execution risks include timing of product launch, ramp-up of supply, and competitive intensity from other generic entrants. Delays in commercialization or uneven uptake could temper revenue expectations, but the approval itself removes a major regulatory hurdle. Looking at the business impact, a successful product launch could feed into higher export revenues, improved operational leverage, and expanded relationships with US distributors, hospital chains, and payers. It also strengthens Zydus's narrative of being a credible global generics player with a deep ANDA pipeline. For the formulation business, this approval underscores the importance of regulatory compliance, quality manufacturing, and sustained focus on high-value molecules. Maintaining strong post-approval inspections and ongoing compliance will be key to sustaining long-term access to the US market. Overall, Zydus's US FDA approval for Eltrombopag tablets is a significant milestone that reflects the company's regulatory maturity and opens up commercial potential in one of the world's largest pharmaceutical markets. Investors will likely watch for launch timelines, initial uptake data, and competitive positioning as key indicators of how this approval translates into financial performance.